How to put image behind text in Google Slide. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how we can put image behind text in Google Slides. So to go about it, the first step is to open your presentation in Google Slides, just like I have done here. And then once your presentation is opened, you'll see your text box, your text and all of that. And then by the top part of the screen, you'll see title of your presentation, you'll see your toolbar as well. So the next step would be for you to insert an image. So you can decide to insert an image by going to the insert tab just below the title of your presentation, and then you'll see the option image. All right, or you can just decide to go to the tools bar where you can see the option insert image. Click on it, and then you have a number of options. How exactly do you want to insert the image? Do you want to upload from your computer? Do you want to search the web? Do you want to make use of gifs and stickers? Just select the one that you want. For me, I would select upload from computer, and then after that, just go ahead and select the image that you would like to place behind the text. So I've selected the image. Then once you've done that, ensure you position the image properly in the way you want it to be. And so after positioning the image properly, the next step is to right click on the image. And then once you've done that, you'll see some options here, such as cut, copy, paste. Just scroll down and click on order. After clicking on order, by the right side, you also see a number of options like bring to front, bring forward, send backward, send to back. So click on send to back, and as you can see, the image is now behind the text. So um yeah, as you can see that the image is now behind the text, and you can now do whatever you want. Okay, so that is it. All right, this is how you can send image to back. You can insert or put an image behind text in Google Slide. It is very simple, so go ahead and try it out today. Thank you for watching, and ensure you leave a thumbs up for this video.